I'm Susan. Today I'm working on week 32 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a cake or dessert. I've got this cake and I've got this fruit shake thing. We need a flying insect. Oh no, an instrument with keys. I've got this, it's not a piano. I want to say it's like a pianola or something like that. But I mean, it's got keys. And we've got a flying insect, a flag. I just made a little flag. And the bonus is a piece of ribbon. So I've got this piece of ribbon. So I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, it is awfully hot. And we're under severe heat. They're talking about storms later on today, or this afternoon or tonight. It's just one of those where you have the heat advisories. So I'm just going to glue my ribbon down the side. That seems to be the best thing to do. This was just come off of a package or something that I got. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this other half on this side of my paper, just to decorate this side as well. I'm really into the Vampire Knitting Club. I'm about halfway through book 3, and I have been enjoying it. It's just a fun, cozy mystery. And let's see what else is going on. Still watching White Collar. It's been really good. Okay. Yeah, I got this hedgehog. It's not part of the prompts, but I just thought he was cute, so I thought I might use him. Although I might swap this around like that, where it looks like he's looking. And I've got some little papers, things to embellish. Maybe I want to go this side. I don't know, we'll see. And I'm just going to stick my flag somewhere kind of like that. I have my cake. And I've got my flying insect. Oh, and I was supposed to have polka dots. And polka dots is my background paper. I forgot to mention that. Oh yeah. These also aren't part of the prompts, but I really like flowers, so I thought I would add those. So I may come back and change this up a bit. Let me that, maybe something like that. And let's see here. I've got this long one, which could kind of come out from behind there. I love, my mama used to have a bunch of irises and they were so pretty. Okay. Maybe go up a little bit. Maybe something like that. These I may add over here. Let's see. That would look good there. And I've got a strawberry and a blueberry. And this one could just kind of tuck in somewhere like that. Now, I like that. I feel like, let's see if I can maybe turn that out some. And come down with that just a little bit, kind of fill that space. I could kind of turn my butterfly there. I like that. So that's not very straight, but I don't know. I may add this over here too. Alright, so now let's get to putting some stuff down. I'm going to have to order some more glue stick. I just made a flag. I had some like American flags, but one, I didn't think they would go here, and two, the colors wouldn't have really went. But I'm proud to be an American. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and put that down. And let me get my piano. I'm just going to call it a piano. And it may be a piano. But I'm thinking it's not quite a piano. Okay, got that one down. Let me get this flower down. Most of these I got out of my cut and collage book, the one I like to use. But I had a hard time finding a piano or an instrument with keys, so I had to find it in a magazine. Okay. Let me see, get my little hedgehog here. As I was looking for things, I saw him and he was just so cute. So I'm going to use him for embellishment. Down my cake. This one really is just a hodgepodge of things, so I'm just trying to make it look pretty. I feel like when you do a collage, sometimes all you need is just to make it look pretty. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay. Now let me get this side done. I will put it right there. Alright. Tulips are my favorite. I was looking for purples or things like what I was already using. Alright. That takes care of that. Now let's see. I am going to use my Stabila All. And just kind of go around the cake. using my Stabilo All. I really like how it draws out everything. Okay. Do my butterfly. Okay, and my hedgehog. He's so cute. All right, let's see. That's it. Now let me get my water brush. And I'm just going to go around it. Just to draw it out some. I like this look. A lot of people don't, but I do like it. Just put some little shadows. Okay. And my butterfly. I'm not sure how my videos are going to be this week. I hope to not miss any days. My husband and my son are going to be on vacation, and when they're home, I usually don't get quite as much done. I get lazy. It's like when I'm on my own, I can I get up and I have my routine, but when I get out of routine, it just throws everything off for me. But I'm trying to get a few ahead, and since I'm not doing the July postcard play, it's done. I can get back into my glue book, and those are pretty easy to do because I'm just playing. And the challenges that I'm doing, of course, Margarete Miller here, and I do the collaging is for the birds, and when she puts up a crossword puzzle when I do. So I enjoy doing those. So I will try the one with Amy, the 50 stack challenge. It's the one that takes the most time. Right now I'm just going to do some splatters. Alright. A little bit of gold. I think I need more water. There we go. do love my gold splatters. All right. Well, this is week number 32. I'm going to call it done. We have got our cake or dessert. We've got our instrument with keys. I've got that. I've got my flying insect, the butterfly. I've got polka dots in the background. I've got my little flag here, which I should come around it. I don't have to wet it. Just kind of bring a little more attention to it. And my bonus, a piece of ribbon. So I've got my ribbon here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW32 to see what everyone else has made this week. If you did enjoy this video, like I said, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything, and it really helps my channel to grow. And hit that notification bell if you enjoy these videos so that you won't miss any. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.